Okay, Facebook. We love it. We hate it. They've had a bad history. And speaking of history, we can get rid of the history now.
We finally can.
So what does this mean? What is it called?
So this is called your off Facebook activity, right? So all of those things that we've been doing, logging in with Facebook or giving, websites or apps permission to connect to Facebook, it's actually a two-way street, right?
Yeah. How long have we been? I've been on Facebook since like 2009. How many stupid apps did I give permission to and download for Facebook?
Way more than you're probably comfortable.
And I don't even know where they are.
Yeah.
So I actually went into ad preferences back in, 2017 when we first found out about Cambridge Analytica? 2017,
Yeah.
2018? Anyway, I went through and I found hundreds of sites that were connected, and I went through and I deleted all of them. And
By hand.
You're
Manually.
you're making me feel really sick right now.
and that was it. They eventually released a tool where you could basically select all and nuke it. But I did spend several hours doing that. And I noticed that their ad preferences for me started to get a little less weird. As they actually kind of dialed into who I am now.
We should preface this, that this is where you can see when you go to Amazon, you go to buy something, and then all of a sudden you go back to Facebook and you're being shown ads for all the things that you just looked at. Because those websites like Amazon share your cookie and website traffic data with Facebook.
No.
Yes.
And in a lot of cases, people will say, well, I just had a conversation with someone about that. The microphone must be listening. No, you've engaged in behavior that points towards things that you want to do. There was a case where a young lady in the United States, Target, knew that she was pregnant, but before her parents did. Right, and was advertising things like diapers and whatnot to her. So your off Facebook activity includes information that businesses and organizations share about Facebook with your interactions with them, such as visiting their apps or websites. And so how you get to this is you go to your settings in Facebook, right? And you're going to go to privacy shortcuts. Just scroll down to the bottom, you'll see privacy shortcuts. And you keep scrolling through that page and you'll see your Facebook information. And the fourth thing on this list is view or clear your off Facebook activity.
They put it right at the top, didn't they?
Yeah. So you got to dig for it. And you can manage your off Facebook activity where you can see all of the connections, or you can clear it. Now, for argument's sake, I decided to go and manage my off Facebook activity. They ask you to log in with your password, which one of the reasons why I think a lot of people are so deep into this is because we don't like remembering passwords. So we log in with Facebook. So if you dig that password out and log in, can you guess how many deep connections I found?
And this is on your account, which you've already sort of cleaned manually.
That's correct.
I'm going to guess in the hundreds.
237.
Sorry, what?
237 off Facebook activity connections.
And that you've given permission to.
Yep. And I had a moment. I said to myself, do you actually want to go through and take a look at all of these?
Didn't you tell me a while ago you were off Facebook?
A little bit.
Okay.
Do I want to go and take a look at all of these and decide what, what I did? I grabbed the gas can, I grabbed the matches.
And you burnt it all down.
I burnt it all down. I cleared my history. Now they get a little fear-mongery with you there. They tell you, if you do this, we won't be able to advertise things that you like to you. You're going to get you'll still get ads. You just won't get those particular
for
ads.
diapers.
Now,
I could be using those soon.
once you clear this, it will log you out of some sites that if you have logged in with Facebook, you'll either have to choose to log in again or create a password. But you also have the option to do something, and that's make this permanent. There is a toggle switch that says you don't want them to do it anymore. Can I tell you the level of satisfaction that I had flipping that switch? It was so good.
Okay, so you did it.
I did it.
And any repercussions? Have you, in your daily internet browsing and activities?
You know what I'm finding? Because I was finding that Facebook was actually getting really good at advertising things to me and so in the last couple of days, I've clicked less on those ads. I have purchased fewer things. I'm feeling.
So you were getting sucked in.
Oh, I was getting sucked in. I mean, they had me to a T.
Yeah.
Right?
I've never clicked on a Facebook ad.
No?
I've clicked on the little toggle to hide this because I keep seeing it.
Yeah.
But I have never actually clicked through and purchased something from a Facebook ad.
You're a stronger man than I.
Well, we've told you how to clear it.
Burn it to the ground, people.
Burn it to the ground.